Good morning, welcome to another Trucking with Alan video. It's Thursday morning, just left IKEA at Glasgow. As you can see, it's a very bright morning this morning, the sun is up. Chilly though, it's only 6 degrees according to the truck. And we are on our way to Newcastle. Now, when we get to Newcastle, we are actually tipping another company's lorry. They've literally just paid for the use of the moffett and a moffett trained driver. We did originally get the load for the moffett job. We do moffett work for the company. The company are DSV, and we do get a lot of moffett work off them. However, the weight of this load would have meant we were overweight. Now, when we're on the combination with the moffett, we can literally only carry about 24-23 ton, because we usually come in anywhere between 20 and 21 ton. So, and those of you who may know DSV, they're a Scandinavian company. They bring in trailers of stuff from Scandinavia, predominantly Scandinavia. They do other parts of Europe, and they're usually at max weight, obviously, because they want to maximise the profit of the trailer. So we couldn't transship the load onto a moffett trailer due to the weight. So we are meeting one of their lorries at 10 o'clock this morning in Newcastle upon Tyne, and we are going to tip them. That's the plan this morning. Then after that, I will have to get down to Hardwicks and get this tipped. Tills we collected out of IKEA, get them tipped, and then see what we're doing from there. What a beautiful morning. Anyway, that's enough for my morning update. I will speak to you all when I get to Newcastle. So I'll catch you all in a little while. Right, I'm on site, and the truck I am tipping is just coming down the road. So that's that one. And we're going to get him on site. I'm going to get my machine off. And that's what we're tipping. And we're going to get him backed onto site. And then I'm going to tip him. So I'm not going to record him reversing in. Well, we can do. Probably show me up. But I'm going to get the machine off. So, anyway, I'm going to get this sorted. I'll talk to you in a little while. Right, so we're ready to go. As you can see, we're just getting him to reverse into sight. He's doing a grand job of that. And then, we're going to get this tipped. That's that, tips. Oh, that was fun. 2 hours to do that. That were bad. Well, actually, no, I got here at 2 hours. It took me about an hour and 20 minutes to tip that wagon, and then there was a couple of packs couldn't actually reach, so they got the telehandler to do it, which they could have got the telehandler to do it a lot quicker than I could, but never mind. Right, I'm going to put all the chains on my machine. I'm going to have something to eat because I'm starving. Catch you in a bit.
The next morning.
Morning, folks. Friday morning. I'm having to film using my phone because I forgot my camera equipment, and as you can see, I'm in a murk. Gearbox issue with the Scania. Come up, gearbox malfunction. Lost all my gears. Got my gears back. It kept stalling, so I managed to nurse it to Scania yesterday. Which is why I haven't done a sign off for yesterday. I think I did about 320 miles, and we did that Moffett job, and then I had to take it to Scania. So it's Friday morning. I'm currently sat at Hardwick's, waiting to get tipped from the load we collected Wednesday night in Edinburgh. But yeah, so everything I do today is going to be on the mobile phone, so I do apologise, but I took all my camera equipment out and put it in my camera equipment bag, and I didn't grab my camera equipment bag when I went home last night. So anyway, thank goodness for mobile phones. So I'll catch you all in a little while. Bye bye, scrap tills. Goodbye. There we go. Right, we're tipped. There we go. That's all my old scrap tills. That's what's come out of IKEA. There's only 5 of them there. But like all supermarkets, IKEA are going down the fully unmanned till business, and they're going to replace them with automated tills. So it's happening everywhere, folks. It's happening everywhere. Anyway, I'm going to get weighed out. I'll catch you all in a little while. As you can see, we're getting loaded at ITAB, picking up another flat pack Costa, and this is going to Greenock in Scotland for 7 AM Monday morning. I am supposed to be taking it. But this is truck dependent, because this truck I'm driving, which is a Merc, is absolutely disgusting inside. If push comes to shove, I will use it, but unfortunately my bedding's in my truck at Scania, so I might be having to go up in the loft and source some other bedding. Anyway, I'll catch you all in a little while. Okay folks, it's Friday evening. I'm back home. Didn't do a lot of recording today. I literally just did them 2 collections. That truck I was in then had to go for repair, so I washed it, took it to Mercedes to be done, and then I had some good news. I managed to pick my truck up, which has been repaired. So I'm back in the Scania. I am working Sunday. I'm running up towards Scotland for a early delivery Monday morning with the Moffett, delivering that flat pack Costa you've just seen. So with that, I hope you've all enjoyed the video. If you do, give it a thumbs up, a like and subscribe, and I'll catch you all in a little while.